Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but crucial trick to take full control of your browsers. We'll learn how to stop Microsoft Edge from automatically syncing or importing data from Google Chrome. If you've ever noticed your bookmarks, history, or passwords appearing in Edge without your permission, this guide is for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, your browsers will stay completely separate. First, open Microsoft Edge and make sure it's fully updated. Running the latest version ensures you'll see all the options we're about to cover. Next, head over to Settings. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. This is where Edge keeps all its customization and privacy controls. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Profiles. This section manages all the data linked to your Edge account, including passwords, history, and bookmarks. Within Profiles, look for Import Browser Data. This is the option that controls how Edge brings in data from other browsers like Google Chrome. Here's the key step. Find the setting that says Import Browser Data at each browser launch. By default, this switch is turned on, which means every time you open Edge, it automatically pulls information from Chrome. Simply toggle this switch off. That's it. Once disabled, Edge will no longer import Chrome's data, keeping your browsing history, passwords, and bookmarks separate. You've now ensured complete browser independence and a cleaner, more streamlined Edge experience. And that's all it takes. A quick toggle and your browsers stay separate, giving you full control over your data. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.